Hi, this is SumTrack and we would like to show you our idea for public transportation. First of all, there are four different main problems in public transport. Lack of justice, delay, density, discountable. The problem that our solution is based on is very huge in our country. People also don't want to get into bus when there are a lot of people inside. As you can see from the graphic, 52% of people that use public transportation is uncomfortable and this is a big problem. According to CDC, we should keep at least 6 feet with the people that's not in our household. And crowdedness in bus directly affects the passenger which want to get in. 75% of people agree with the plans of our project. We also made a survey which had 10 questions and you can see the results here. The good side of our plan is the drivers will work under less pressure and there will be less accident. But the bad side is not everyone has phones. Kids under 9 can travel without paying. Using more AI-based systems will make projects better. And let's look at our app. Bring us here when you start the application. If you have an account here, you can log in by filling the blanks in the login section. Here, the ID field determines whether you're a driver or a passenger. If you have forgotten your password, you can change your password by clicking the Forget Password section. If you do not have an account, you can create an account by Create Account section. If you don't fill the blanks in the Create Account section, message will appear up from above saying, if you don't fill all gaps, you can't create account. By filling the blanks and clicking the Create Account button, you have already created account. Here you can see your personal information from your profile. Order a bus or subway ticket from the booking section and you can tell us your suggestions from the feedback section. When you enter the order section, we first determine where we want to go. Then we choose which public transport we want to take, and here we press the book ticket button and write down that time we want to get on the bus from the station, and the application will find the closest time to the time we want. These processes also apply to the subway. This message is the QR code of our ticket. Also here we can refund the ticket. At the end of our trip, we have some questions about our service for passengers. Let's go to the driver's part. It consists of a profile and the feedback in the drive section. When we enter the driver section, a message comes from the profile. This message shows the number of the bus the driver will drive, what time it will run, and the shows QR code for the bus to read. After reading the QR code, the bus recognizes it and you will be notified that you have already entered the bus cabin. After the driver's working hours, the driver can see answers about his service. We used Google Maps when we created this application. Let's see how our prototype works. It measures the people who get in and get out from the bus and the underground. If there are more people than there should be, alarm will be on. Here you can see the limit is 2, and it turns it to 3 and alarm starts. In this case, a one person gets out and number went down. When a passenger books the ticket, they will receive a QR code that will let them get into the bus or the underground. Let's see how it works. System will let you in only if you read the correct QR code. Otherwise, you won't be able to enter. This is our team. Thanks to the members. And thanks for your attention.